welcome back to the channel. If you're a Google Pixel user and part of the Android Beta program, I've got some important news for you. Google has just started rolling out a new update. Android 16 QPR2 Beta 3.3, and it's a big deal, even if it doesn't sound like it at first. This update is available for the Pixel 6 series and all newer models, including the latest Pixel 10 lineup and even the Pixel Fold. Now, before you get too excited about flashy new features, hold on. This release, known as a point update, is all about one thing: stability. Specifically, Google is targeting a super annoying bug that many of you might have experienced. Have you ever picked up your phone, tried to wake it up, and been met with a completely frozen, unresponsive lock screen?
It's been a real headache for a lot of Pixel users, often forcing a full restart just to get the phone working again.
Well, the good news is that Beta 3.3 is designed to squash that exact bug.
The official changelog lists a fix for this lock screen freezing issue, which should bring a huge sigh of relief to anyone who's been dealing with it. This focus on stability is pretty clear. The update is still running on the October 2025 security patch,
Which tells us Google's engineers are prioritizing bug fixes over adding new system features right now.
This is actually a good thing. These quarterly platform releases, or QPRs, are meant to iron out the kinks and polish the user experience before the big public release. We saw similar bug squashing efforts in earlier beta versions, like Beta 3.1, which fixed some boot loop problems. So, while you won't see any new icons or major visual changes,
Instating Beta 3.3 should make your Pixel feel noticeably smoother and more reliable.
especially if you've been a victim of that lock screen freeze. This brings us one step closer to the stable public version of the QPR2 update, which we're expecting to see later this year, probably around December.
If you're already enrolled in the Android Beta program, you can get this update over the air right now.
Just head into your phone's settings, go to System, and then tap on Software Update to check for it.
The build number you're looking for is BP41.2509116. 15 for the Pixel 6 series. And it ends with a 1 for all the newer models. If you're not in the beta program but you're tired of waiting for bug fixes, you can still sign up on Google's beta website. It's a pretty straightforward process. Just remember that beta software, bihits natura, can sometimes have its own little quirks, so there's always a small risk involved.
But for a critical fix like this, it might just be worth it.
That's the latest from the world of Android. A small update, but a very welcome one.
Let me know in the comments if you've experienced this lock screen bug and if this update solves it for you.
Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for all the latest tech news.